Want to become a pro at validating Cardano transactions? Here's your crash course in 60 seconds. First things first, what's a Cardano transaction? It's simply sending ADA from one address to another on the Cardano blockchain. Now let's break down the validation process. Step 1. Signature verification. Each transaction is signed with a sender's private key and verified by the network using the public key. This confirms the sender is legit. Step 2. Input and output verification. The network checks if the sender has enough funds and that the inputs belong to them. Step 3. Script validation. If smart contracts are involved, the network runs Plutus scripts to verify conditions. Step 4. Fee verification. The network ensures the transaction fee covers processing costs. Finally, the consensus protocol. Using Ouroboros, the network ensures all nodes agree on the transaction's validity before adding it to the blockchain. For more details, check out Cardano explorers like Cardanoscan, or use Daedalus and Yoroi wallets to view your transaction history. And there you go, you've just mastered Cardano transaction validation.